Okay, good afternoon, students. Today I will explain you how to construct a tetrahexahedron. So the system is cubic and class is normal class or Galena type. Now what is tetrahexahedron? So it is a solid having 24 faces and each face an isosceles triangle. So for each face of a cube, or you can say hexahedron, there appears a low pyramid of 4 faces. That is tetra. Whence the name tetrahedron. So each face is parallel to one axis and cuts the other two axes at unequal lengths. The axial ratio is 1:1:1. Units are 2:5.4:6. Elements of symmetry, there are 9 planes in which 3 are axial and 6 are diagonal, and 13 axes in which 3 axes are of 4-fold, 4 axes are of 3-fold, and 6 axes are of 2-fold, and a center of symmetry. General symbol HKO, unit symbol 210, and common minerals are galena, garnet, diamond, fluorite, etc. So this is all about tetrahexahedron, its symmetry and common minerals. Now we will start the construction of tetrahedron. So as usual, take midpoint of A2 axis, A3 axis and A1 axis. Okay, and write their name positive and negative end. Now we will start from point plus A1. This is plus A1, means the half of axis A1. Join plus A1 with plus A2 minus A2 plus twice A3 and minus twice A3. Okay. So we will join plus A1 with twice A2 minus twice A2 plus twice A3 and minus twice A3. Both the side. Now join plus twice A1. This is plus twice A1 plus twice A1. So join plus twice A1 with half of A2 or A3 axis. So A2 half A2 axis is this one, and this is A3 axis. This is A3 axis, and this is A2 axis. Okay. Now we will get 4 intersection point between plus twice A1 plus A2 plus twice A1 minus A2 plus twice A1 plus A3 and plus twice A1 minus A3. So mark all intersection point. This is intersection point 1. This is intersection point of 2. This is intersection point 3. And this is intersection point 4. Now, next step is draw a square on these points. Okay, so we will draw a square. This is line. These lines are parallel to A3 axis, and upper line and lower line. These lines are parallel to A2 axis. So this is square. Now Next step is join plus A1 with 4 corners of square internally. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are front faces, and join minus A2 and plus A2. This is minus A2 and plus A2 with 2 corners of square externally. So this is minus A2 okay, this is a square. This is square 1, and these are front faces. So we'll join outer sides. These are outer sides. Now this one, okay, and A2 also, plus A2. So you can see almost 8 phases, they are completed. So in next step, what will we do? Whatever we have done on left side, we will do on right side. So right side, first of all, we will join minus A1. Minus A1 with plus twice A2. This is plus twice A2 and minus twice A2. This is minus twice A2 and plus twice A3 and minus twice A3. Just like as left side. Okay. Now join minus A1, sorry, minus twice A1 with A2 plus A2 minus A2 plus A3 and minus A3. Okay. So this is plus A2 minus A3. This is minus A3, that is plus A3 and minus A2. This is minus A2. So we will get another 4 intersection point. That is in between minus twice A1 and plus A2. This is intersection point 1, and second is minus twice A1 and minus A2. This is minus A2. So this is intersection point 2, minus twice A1 and minus A3. This is intersection point 3, minus twice A1 and plus A3. This is intersection point 4. Okay. So these are 4 intersection points. So on these points, make another square. Okay. So this is vertical line 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is second square. Now, after making second square, what will we do? we will start from minus A1. Minus A1. So join minus A1 with four corners of second square internally with dotted lines. Why dotted lines? Because these are back faces. Okay. So this is dotted line. These are making back faces. Okay. Now join two corners of square externally with plus A2. This is plus A2. This one and this one. Now second plus A3. Two corners. This is first corner. And second corner is because this is back face. So we will make it with dotted line. This one. Okay. Now join minus A3 with two corners of second square externally. So this is 1 and this is 2. Okay. So this is this one. So finally, we will dark all the outer side and faces. So this is all about what? This is all about the construction of tetrahexahedron. We will dark this point, this one, this one, this one, this one, like this. So this is all about the construction of tetrahedron. If there is any query, you can ask.